making a beautiful flower based on the waste from cotton buds I learned from my mom. Thank you. Now we should take a cardboard piece. Now we should cut the cotton bud. ఇంకొన్ని కట్ చేసాక like this. Afterwards, we should apply the gum. After applying the gum, we should stick the cotton buds in a row. We should stick like this. Now we should stick a second row. See, I stick like this. Now we should stick a small black paper. See, we should stick like this. A black one. Now we should take a green color paper stem. Now we should apply the gum here. This is waste cotton buds flower. See. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Please comment, share and subscribe with the video. Bye.